What's your dolly? What's your good body? Good shape. Me don't know why dolly them always a height, you know.
Alright, say something like camera. Shout yourself out. Hold on.
Yo, you don't know one Jamaica walk by, we down there in a Jamaica, Old Harbour Town, and we there in a right pan Juicy Bee Plaza get the dolly here done. You understand? So make sure so on forward right in your son. You see me I say, shout, what's your name again, my friend?
Ivory.
Oh, Ivory?
Yeah, Ivory.
Ivory.
Yeah.
So shout out to my beautiful princess, my sweet little lady Ivory. Now me with a pretty eye like a dolly. That is it. We outside. Jamaica walk by, say that. No joke, no doubt. Say that again.
Come down to Shanjo Street. We have parking lot space and sufficient seatings also.
Figure that. Oh, you mean? That is it. I make sure don't hide them beauty there, yeah? Them beauty they fit for the camera.
Sexy black one, yeah.
Run that eye, don't you? Oh gosh, man. Rich man, you go on. A new car? I know your car, motor car you go through, man. You don't want a new car. You say you go and do it. Big up no man. Outside. You mean? You always a work for you see me and everything go. Right now. Big up yourself, man. That is it. Let's go one day. Changi, big up cause we there one, we there.
And one enterprise man, you know, all our arcade, lavish bars, fully active outside, every day, from Sunday to Sunday we out here, you know you go, one lavish bar, you know, fucking ice up, bro. Nice,
Blessed and respect to all my Jamaica walk by massive. It's that time again for another tour, another extensive tour of a town, you know what I mean? And we're in Old Harbour Town. And today tour is all about Old Harbour Town. Big up all Old Harbour Town, massive, no joke, no doubt, now man. We're not ready. Yeah, see all that nice sign right, that's a Old Harbour Town. Party rental, so you don't know which out we stand up. So if you're new to Old Harbour Town, you're going to see what town look like, and this is an extensive tour. So we're going to walk through the entire Old Harbour Town. We're going to try to do it slow and calm and easy. So right now we'll start off the tour on Darlington Drive. You understand? No joke, no doubt. So center camera going up towards Bannister side, Red Ground, Bully Tree, all of them places there, and you don't know, forward in the town in this direction. So it's not a narrating video, massive. We just have to walk through, we just have to see what go on. We just have to see what life look like in a them time in a Old Harbour Town. If you don't see place a very long time, a year time now. So let's do this. If you're new to the channel, you see on my pause, if you're new to the channel, please I'm asking you to subscribe and please turn on the notification bell. So every time I post a video like this, you'll be notified. You understand? See? So let's do this. No joke, no doubt. Let's go. I would have great bounty killer. Big up every time, man. All is well. See it now, man. Believe. fire.
Yes, we do.
That's it. Out there I go. Alright, man. I'm going to go on to the. I tell you something, I come back on trouble. I think I joke me that make. Yeah. Outside.
You know him?
This is what Jamaica, a real type of Jamaica. You understand? No joke.
Come on, I sold for some of big.
You sell out everything today. I saw my father this small blessing that as me reach and I start sell some. Remember say boom me the road say now me I go reach road there. Yeah. No joke, no. Big up man. Blessings and respect man. Yeah. Yeah man, so realize around here so you know. Don't know whole heap of business place until when they fall to Old Harbour side. You understand? Teacher, you well master up there. Not if you can see if you even know again.
You see,
you
that's
see me?
bad this time.
When they know you, they can't see you. Yeah. So yeah. Old Harbour town. So right around the other side there, you know what I mean? Ample parking. Very beautiful. Good space. So you have a bunch of new place around us. You understand? So right around us, let me show you that spot here. So you have the tables and chair and all of them things there. What? I didn't know so. Alright, let me see how I go on really. So see that massive look. San Joe's. Everybody deserves a treat. Yeah. Blessed me teacher. Yeah, my friend, me just at Jamaica walk by. I know me a pass and highlight some of the places them in Jamaica. Especially when I do episode from Old Harbour town and I see that place so I'm going to make people them know say there. You understand? No joke, no doubt. So massive look good now man. How you mean? How they pronounce it? San Joe's? Yes. That is it, no joke. So if you're in the Old Harbour era massive and you never know about that place, so we're going to talk about it. So me I see a bunch of things right now. Look on the menu. We see from coffee to smoothies and all different kinds of topping, ice cream, pastries, hot dogs, sandwiches, wraps, burgers, bunch of sitting. See there? Look good. No joke, no doubt. You know, up in Jamaica walk by how we do it. So you know what I mean? All of the youths say me want to find a little spot for a little girlfriend or something, come buy a little sweet tooth thing. Yeah, make sure so you reach on a San Jose. You can reach them right. If you know Burke Road in a Old Harbour town, you just turn in a Burke Road and just take a little right turn there. You go see that big parking lot there. Right there, so with it. Look good. So you know some Christmas run as I go lit. Prices them look nice to look good.
Them house ice cream, make sure make them know.
Look, where's the Devon House? Yeah. See the massive sound of creamy. You understand? Remember good, the Devon House there. No joke, no doubt. A expensive ice cream. You understand? A quality ice cream. No joke, no doubt. You see a place clean and nice. Some beautiful ladies in here too, you know. Me hear them are going there, but them not show them face. But nothing wrong with that. See a cookie in a jar there. No joke. Juice, everything. So make sure it's on the circle and give San Jose a circle. And come spend the money and make sure so no fill up that sweet tooth there. See? Old Harbour town. No joke. On the Instagram too?
Yes.
Same way with the Instagram. I'm not with the Instagram, I can just say it. Alright, you say Instagram upon the door. San Jose Street. So on the catch sign, see all the number there. You can't call them to man see Instagram, they look good. San Jose _treats. See? Yeah. And Jamaica walk by. Oh, girl, that's really nice. See, man, that's so nice here. Come on, man. I don't care for the camera. See there? A nice, beautiful dolly in here, man. Look good. Pretty and cute and sweet. See that?
Shanjo's Street.
Say that again.
Come down to Shanjo's Street. We have parking lot space and sufficient seatings also.
Figure that. Oh, you mean? That is it. I make sure I don't hide them beauty there, yeah? Them beauty they fit for the camera.
Sexy black one.
Run there and hide, don't you? Oh, gosh, man. You go on. Afraid of it. Yeah, big up to my teacher, same speed. So see there, even hand sanitizer, everything. Nice outside space. Jamaica walk by here. That is it. So see there, come take your pictures on them thing there, right at San Joe's. No joke. See there, whole heap of parking and basing thing. The place nice. What you mean? Oh, see there, see on the next place right there. So see there, Chris's Marty. The salon, you know what I mean, and barber shop. So even barber shop around here, no joke, no doubt, look good. Oh, you mean? Place nice. So don't forget it. Right in a Burke Road there, so just turn on Burke Road and take a right turn. And I you that. Follow the video, make we do this, we are go through. Ready again. Watch your eye on my boss. I look come more in a circle again, see? That is it. You know we do it on Jamaica walk by. Have to try feature a few places and thing. Yeah. Outside, you know my style already, you know. Figure that. You mean? Yeah. Seven I never know my town. And my town I originally grew up in and all of them good things there. You see me? So before me go in at the meat of the matter, alright, here what me I go do. Since we there, so me I go just go left. Down to Juicy Beef side and then circle the whole part. Yeah. Yeah. That's it. Let me tell you, Old Harbour Town change up a whole lot. You know what I mean? But we have to take our time and go through same speed. This change up so much. A new car? I know your car, motor car you go through, man. You don't want a new car. Today you go and do it. Big up no man. Outside. You mean me? I always work for you. See me and everything go. Right now. Big up yourself and go. That is it. That's what I'm since I work at the part, man. Jamaica walk by.
Jamaica walk?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. It's crazy, man. Big up yourself, man.
Big up and respect, but you go on, boy, what to do car, like you don't full of car. Take it easy, Godfather. Yeah, I'll be general that, you understand, from long time, from their youth. You see me? Don't joke, don't. All about town, man. So we just easy does it. Oh, go on, you go in. Lord, that's great. Big up the one. Hey, brother there.
In there in a KC.
Oh,
What's there, I'm strong.
boy, someone sitting slip me, G's and P's. Me actually I do something here now, so we are link up, hear that? We circle, you see?
Yeah.
Alright. Madam bad outside. Nah, do no prank today. Today near straight Jamaica walk by. Madam bad, take it easy. Yeah. Jamaica walk by me I do today, you know. Yeah, all things you just come off, right?
Yeah, man, just good do.
That is it, yeah, man, take it easy. Good, you know, and the daughter too. Yeah, man, I got daughter, you know, man. That is it, no joke, no doubt. You probably TikTok.
Don't.
You don't know Jamaica walk by where we
Yeah, so that be the shit.
Pick up yourself. Yeah, that take it easy, man. Don't joke. That is it. That is it, man. Bro. Back of KFC. Just smooth, you know something I see you? You know something I do some Jamaica walk by to the big singer. No joke, no doubt, you know. You understand? Yeah, you know Jamaica walk by. See me actually a feature my hometown today, you understand? Yeah. You're not afraid of the camera right now, you see how you feel? Yeah, Massive right now is a great man me I thought, you know. Just smooth, big singer. You understand? You can't bother, you know, say you're a superstar already, man. I want to hear Just Smooth. See it there, I want Just Smooth. Every Old Harbour Massive and Jamaicans know that brother, you're a big singer. You understand? He probably don't want to sing today because remember I'm go trouble today, you know. I see them reach and foot. Blessings, my general. Nah, draw you too much today because I know say if somebody has to sing to them, I can't do it because the voice mash up today. Well, you don't know Angle Bango. You go and spin around. See it? Yeah. That is it. Yes, smooth. So yeah, we actually do some Jamaica walk by. I miss an extensive tour of Jamaica, Old Harbour town. So yeah. The line that we see. Hold on, I come out. The line that we see are the KFC line. But the road narrow, so I make a big bus and pass through. Watch it, Beverly's blouse and skirts still are running in Jamaica. Yes, Elder Manners. So you know me not forward too far up here, so but yeah, we just not forward to the supermarket so you can see. I do Jamaica walk by. Yeah, you get catch some miracle.
No, I can't get catch me tired.
That is it. This is my beautiful cousin, Sister Nadine. Yeah, that is her. Big up yourself. Where are you with?
When I hear man, I start out some stuff.
I get prepared for the whole end of year.
I really know.
Jesus,
Things that need to be done will get done.
Need
to be done.
Yeah, so massive when I ask me how I can sing, I say she one of the biggest singer I know from me I grew up. You understand? Big up all like Straight Gate Apostolic Church members.
Every time.
That is it, Sister Nadine.
Yeah, man,
I'm a cousin in a real life. Take care, cuz. Yeah. So you know some a singer, but you see she, oh God, when she open for her mouth, you know, man, remember me tell you, you have to feel it. Yeah, big up to my cousin. Whole heap of singer in my family. A whole lot of singers in my family. So, yeah, man, police them the right on the corner. Madam bad my bro, sit there. You go on, clean up today. Be a shopping, so you know what I go on there now. Big up every time, you hear that? Outside bro. You know. So you don't know juicy patties. Manners teacher, manners saying. This is Juicy Patties. Remember, you can follow Jamaica in 10 if you want to see the history about Juicy Patties, you know what I mean? That's a beautiful episode over there on Lexi's channel. You understand? Yeah. No joke, no. Big up man, Madam Bad. Easy. Yeah, we are going to take it easy today. You understand? No joke, no doubt. No, you don't know my thing Jamaica walk by. How we are say? I mean Jamaica walk by, man. Me not actually cover Old Harbour town back again today because people them been ask me. So they want to see about the town turn up here now. You understand? A whole heap of difference, a whole heap of changes, you see me? Yeah. I mean, you know the thing, man, easy and kick and fast. You understand? So yeah, you don't know, Sir Juicy Beef Plaza. The big up Mr. Chin, you don't know, you're a very good man to my father, you know what I mean? So this is Juicy Beef for my father. I work with Juicy Patties for like nearly 40 years that he work with Juicy Beef before he drop out, you see? You know what I mean? So, big up to Mr. Arlen. You see it? So, Mr. Arlen is one of the man them where build a Juicy Beef here right off I ground straight to where they are now. So big up to Mr. Chin too as well, you see me? Yeah, no joke. Yeah. So we outside again in a bro. See? Madam bad. So with Juicy Beef you have ample parking around the back, big parking lot there around at the back. You can look from the drone shot them and thing. So most time people use over here for them parking space. We tell you the truth, and you have a bunch of plaza for the place. Make you go and look in there. You can say they have barber shop, you have variety store, furniture store, all of them type of thing there. And thing. Yeah. Now stay too long over here because I say we do an extensive tour. On Changi, big up cuz, we there one, we there. Neville. Big up my teacher, you understand? I do some Jamaica walk by today, you know? Yeah. So that's a variety store. A big clothes store right there, so whole heap of things themselves. I don't know the barber shop over here, so you understand? Some of me G them in there. Manners.
Yeah.
All is well?
Yeah, man, me there, man. Where the fuck?
I look there. Yeah. Me there go and do it. Did a whole lot about town today.
Yo.
Don't bother with your foolishness, you know, man. Don't bother ruin it, you know. No, you know me not do that something there, bro. Yeah, me there go and pass you and go easy. See me and say? No, Joe. We not even catch you. You understand? So, teacher. You know what I mean? Alright, that is it. Madam bad bro, what you mean? So you see barber shop in a big people place, a nice people place, look good. You mean? So you see that big TV up there, so the man we have Jamaica walk by Panino. No joke, no. You understand? You know so whole heap of dolly. I just say all like girls them come deal with it fast. You understand? Yeah. They said love, pretty girl. Hi, where are you? Oh my word, me so now I watch Jamaica walk by now.
Always.
Yeah, so you know, so today I go watch you all on yourself, you know. Oh, you mean? Yeah. Girl, me know you before me know myself, what happened? Manners, love and respect. Yeah, me don't know why them run from me and I hide today. I know I was playing on the big old TV. So I have to forward and showcase the shop, you understand? I clean shop, I dolly shop. But listen, me not like when no dolly hide them face now. Dolly not hide them face now. They come right out, they not hide. And you me a show me mouth pan. Yeah, look good. So then I hold that baton massive. If you don't know that place, I would over the Juicy Beef Plaza in. So for the Juicy Beef Plaza, you know, over that side there, you have which are the man them trim and thing, and you have over here so which are the dolly them forward, come do them nice good thing. Oh God, them look good in here. Oh, you mean for the workers, them to all the people. You see a girl here now? I know that girl for so much years now, because I know her before I know myself. Because all of we got school together, run up and down the wall kind of sitting. You know what I mean? Yeah. No joke, no though. You not look no different though. Cheese and space. Yeah. So see me all catch me and what talks and say, oh that's it, look like me can't sleep or something. Yes, I go chill, this make we just go and relax in time here them do. So you don't even worry about the time we are going. Waiting here. So what are you doing here?
I do makeup and hair.
Makeup and hair?
Yeah, lashes and brows.
Where say you enhance the ladies and beauty?
Yes.
Oh God. Oh my word. So, you on Instagram too?
Yeah, Instagram Dal by Shanice.
Dal, you see it? You see, you hear what I say? Dali them place. And you see, you hear what your name Dal by what?
Yeah, you can look video.
Let me see here. Look. Station. See there? So fear thing Dal by Shanice. Mighty. You see all them Dali here? She do it. Look good now, man. See her TikTok there too. So you can follow her. No joke, no doubt. You understand? If you know, so them are ready up for the new year, so make sure you want to do appointment and thing too.
Yeah, you can do Christmas,
walk in. Oh, you mean? As easy as that. But yeah, right here, so I trim to in a massive, no joke, because the place is just pretty AC, in a free AC too. So in the forward in here, you're cool and nice. See? No joke. Big up yourself. Me I walk through. You know if you like camera, because you're there in a show of them braces in the mouth and base in a rich mouth. That is it. So look who shot me there too. Oh gosh. Oh, but signed by Nikki. Lord of mercy. Good here. Good here. Look good. Nice and easy. Mighty. Forward in us, all of my ladies, you don't know. All of my general them to listen. Tell on the ladies which are to forward come do them here. And all of them things in a Old Harbour town. All I surrounding here. I want to do man here like a locks and all them things too. All my years don't can come and come. Figure that. Oh, you mean? So massive of my places, them always a show Jamaica walk by, so. But I don't if me not forward in so. You see me? No joke, no doubt. Look come on here, Rick. Pretty girl. Look come on. Rockstone, me no want to pass here, oh God. Yeah.
You can just
Are you realize them there? Are you realize them there?
Yeah.
Yeah, them pretty. Yeah. I wish I would know. Cheese and peas. Braids by what you call it? Denisha? Nisa.
Yeah, come and get here.
Oh, Nisa. Oh, it's by Nisa. That is it, man. Look good now, man. Nisa is outside. So I can come on TikTok to you know. While on the ear though, see she have a nice ring light and stuff bright up on her face so I can see well. Look up on that ear what she did right now. Me say look up here side there. Yeah. Nice and neat. Oh God.
What's your style? What's your social media?
Oh, Jamaica walk by.
Walk by?
Yes, it's a talk so nice and all. You're foreigner.
Huh?
You're foreigner. Which country you from?
Huh?
Which country you from?
America.
America, yeah, I them pretty. Nice and decent. Here is Jamaica walk by. So you see yourself, I see I get all dolly down. See?
Jamaica on what?
Yeah, Jamaica walk by. All social media platform. Yeah. So I'm on TikTok, Jamaica walk by, Instagram, Jamaica walk by. But this video will be posted on YouTube.
On YouTube?
Yeah, I put this on YouTube.
Jamaica walk by?
Yeah, Jamaica
Walk by.
Yeah,
Like that. All
that
together?
is it. Yeah,
And that's your YouTube as well?
that's my YouTube as well.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, I mean, deal with your good ear.
Alright, say something to my camera. Shout yourself out. Hold on.
Yo, you don't know one Jamaica walk by. We down there in Jamaica, Old Harbour Town, and we there in a right pan Juicy Bee Plaza again. The dolly here done. You understand? So make sure so on forward right in your son. You see me? I say, shout. What's your name again, my friend?
Ivory.
Oh, Ivory.
Yeah, Ivory.
Ivory.
Yeah.
So shout out to my beautiful princess, my sweet little lady Ivory. Now me with a pretty eye like a dolly. That is it. We outside. Jamaica walk by say that. No joke, no doubt. What's your dolly? What's your good body, good shape. Me don't know why dolly them always a eye turn up. Good shape. Eh? What's your Instagram? Let me show you the Instagram.
The good girl.
The good girl.
Yeah, it's the good girl. GALL.
That is it. I go search it and make sure I lock it to here. And you see me there say good body and say your name the good girl. You say everything does work, ain't it? I mean, what me can give a shout out to. Me not want them beat me that dumb if me not ask. You better you run me on camera and than they say me never ask you know. You understand? Tell me Instagram or Instagram bro. Find it on your phone. Alright, me take care for you. Find it on your phone. Find it on your phone. You understand? Before, cause you're shy. Alright, so your Instagram. So let me catch your Instagram. So this is our Instagram. Let me catch you good. Cause I don't want. So this is our Instagram. I give her a shout out. No joke, no doubt. That way them know me have it. Go on with the dolly body. You go on. You want to video me? Me always up on camera. Look what you do. See? You can see? One Jamaica walk by. Look good. I'm in there. Bless up yourself here. You're Jamaican too?
Yeah.
Figure that. Big up yourself. Me follow you, alright?
Alright.
Madam Bun. Yeah. You have a teacher, I know my style already, you know. Big up her. Where you say? No, man, if you talk brawling, man, I tell the cameraman, say, make sure so when I upload the night and basic, man, you know, check, man. You blur your face. All of you, man, never gonna see you. Bro, take it easy, see?
What go on, my boss?
Respect our manners, you know, sir.
Make sure you subscribe and like up the page there. Big up yourself.
Figure that, we outside.
Yeah, man.
Teacher, we are trying bless up, see?
Yes, man, out and bad, man. Big up, you know.
I respect always, see? Manners, go angly bangle. Outside me there. You know, say, me don't want trouble them though. Yeah, we make them go and do them thing, man. We don't want no trouble we, you know. You understand? Me and one of them in our company and they can talk about a thing, you know. You hear man I say, yo, they can't catch him because I always in the yard and see it, you know. So you know, me no trouble problem thing. So if I have a positive message, me not preach none. Because me have to walk the street. That's why I say artist nothing bad. Because you have to go do show. You understand? That is it. Nannyville. Outside. See? Yeah. What a vibe and energy as we go through. See? Silence again. So that was a vibe on Juicy Beef Plaza. One more time for the plaza, see? Yeah. So that is it. So on the social media a while ago, right on Juicy Beef Plaza, as you go in, you just turn right. And I you that. Nice little vibe spot. Big up to my teacher them. You see me? All of your G night cheer attack. I'm a G man. Look more again, see? Blessings for more. Old Harbour Town. Let's do this. Right in Old Harbour Town. Whoa, outside. Old Harbour Town, massive. See? Alright, so we're going to show just a little bit outside of the outskirt. And then go back.
Feel like you're Japanese. You see, you're tired and sleep and struggle. You know what you're tired, you struggle to sleep. Just lie down for one of them what you rest your head. Them comfortable and nice. And remember me tell you, a job you Japan sleep. Them matter, them soft, fluffy, and a $500. The man a sell out them matter for $500. I like the man a Lego goods in the country, believe it. And remember me tell you, the man pants them there again. And the man shirt them there again. And a Lego, the man a Lego goods in the country. And many style of goods. And you know a Christmas I will not see bargain and pass it, believe it. You know a Christmas I will not see deal and pass it. Lego, we are Lego goods.
Jamaica walk by.
Country. And man have
Jamaica walk by.
Them matter you can put beside the stove. Them matter you can put beside your fridge. Front door, back door, side door, and the grill door. I know what I have for you.
That is it.
And you want the oil that flash all over the gun side of the stove. So
That's how good the man and one enterprise, man. You know, Old Harbour Arcade, lavish bars, fully active outside, every day, from Sunday to Sunday we out here, you know we go. One lavish bar, you know, fucking nice up, bro.
Nice.
Figure that. Look good now, man. Look good.
The man having on the fire.
Ready. Make sure so the forward come by. Look good. And on a joke thing. See it here, look good. Right outside the Old Harbour Town. When me ladies them there. Well, in general them there. Look good now, man. Yeah, me say my town this. Look good. What about me teacher? Look good. When teacher them there, switch out the bad shirt them there. Look good now, man. Fashion, trendy. Look good. No joke, no doubt. That is it. Watch now, man. Big up on my Jamaica walk by masses. Them we outside. See? Big up our respect. Yo, teacher. Man, I seen Jamaica walk by. Figure that. See it there. Blouse and skirt. Outside.
I got the man a Lego goods. The big massive bum seal the man have
Right now in the Old Harbour town. I don't know.
Yeah. So here's what I'm gonna do. Me just walk down this side a little bit because you know me I go want the people them say the post office. So you don't know Old Harbour post office over there. So you have the courts down here. So still. So me just go up on a little bit on the outskirts of Old Harbour town. So you can see all of the things that were there from one lockdown. I think this area is still here, just now open today. See? So me now go down too far down here, so I'm on the city town. Yeah. So courts over there, so I have an exact idea of where I am. I'm gonna go cross right down here, so I'm bedding. See? I head back in the town, so I can get to see the market. So everybody who did know, you don't know why I'm in town over here, so again over here, so different. Yeah, over there so used to be Warmington office, which is the MP. See? So and that's the Jamaica bedding over there, so I don't know what me there. So make a cross and head back in the town, go show you the rest of the town. When you turn, not say blessed no man, cool. So if you're just joining, this video is an extensive tour of Old Harbour town. Now let's just see the courts there. Good evening, my friend. Good day, man. See. Big old man. That is it.
For $500. Many style and boots at $500. Right on the front. Anything else on the front, that's a $500. Anything else on the front, that's a $500. Anything else on the hanger, $500. I want to have some $1,000 just different. I said,
It's the Old Harbour market. There go man. There. You think me I'll pass you? Is Janet? Pick up yourself, one love, but I'll be the outside with it. Yeah, bud. No joke. All blessed, see? I go and chop it off. See? I go down to see mommy I go out with. Stevie! Good evening. Yeah. A Jamaica walk by, man. No joke. Big boss, look up more. Place set up different, you know what I mean? Rasta. One love, me a quick pass to it. Boy, your jacket down. Seal it, your jacket down, boy. Cool out here. Yeah. Wow, go on, even. Miss Salvia. Eh? That is it. Where are you going with? You can't be one of my #1 subscriber as my auntie. And you watch my video them straight and can't watch if you see yourself. You have to see yourself too, man. And my auntie no massive. Love her to death. Yeah man. But you know my style already. You watch the video them every day. And you don't want to see yourself. You have to see yourself. Go on. Big up man. That is it. Big up man. Paulette. That is it. Miss Monica boy. Big up man. You're there outside. Great Barrington. You don't trust me with this? What make? No, if you say it a tape, it's a record. Yes. Yeah, Gaza never rape. That's my beautiful auntie over there, Auntie Doreen. Man. Big up my friend over there, so. In a good white blouse. One of them in a yellow blouse jump on her phone. Oh, you mean? How who for mother that?
For your mother that?
See my mother, yeah. And my mother, you know see how she favor me? Eh? This is my mother. My mother sells in the market. Yes. You see all them good runner, yeah? You see all them nice, clean, pretty runner, yeah? No come buy them from my mother, you hear that?
Yes.
And my mother sell them runner, yeah? And she sit down and sew them. Sometimes every minute you hear the machine, yeah! Right through day, right through night. She run the machine. Yeah, so my mother sell Irish and ginger and June plum, garlic. What are the turnip? Beetroot. A beetroot this? Turnip. Yeah. Yeah. So my stepfather, yeah. This is my mother's husband, one tiger. Up and running. Yeah. Say that get look later that evening. I don't know how you mean. Some of me sell tomato, red peas, gungo, onion,
cabbage, onion, lettuce.
Oh, you not take down your chopper? You not see son gone?
No, I'm ready. Pack me a pack up, man. That's why they're in this.
So massive when the father Old Harbour Town can support my mother. Right, that's something to sell to, you know. You understand? Sell and easy. You understand? We stand up and sell, right? So. Right round there, so. And easy. And then we back out and go walk when you even a forward. Oh, you mean? So this is my mother, me and Morgan. Yeah, me just do an extensive tour of Old Harbour Town, you know what I mean? Yeah. But me soon come.
Yeah, man.
And my mother that. Let's just show now what the Old Harbour market look like. So you can park around us too. If you forward inside, just drive come around to the back and just park around us. See me? Yeah. So most of the people them actually pack up a little bit now. And thing, no joke, no doubt. How you mean? That is it. Outside with there. I don't know. Rob normally around here, so. And thing. Yeah, fire, mad and bad, how you mean? See it, now we showcase around us. See it? How it stay. How you mean? You don't know anything out, you care? Yeah. Now, then forward now, man. Now you're a boss, man. Look good now, man. Eh? Look good. See? No joke, no doubt. Iron improve. See me I say? Look good. Jaja know. I'm showing a little bit of what I'm talking about upstairs. You say going so far from the wall, I want them forward now, man. I'm going up there. See how man I look away like I wonder what this and base like I set here try to set up my mouth. Look at him. You know, yeah, ball now, You go on. I'm a general, big up. Yeah, but the root yo, see it ya? So, see it ya? See it's upstairs right up there, so look good. Restaurant now open, you understand? Look good, no joke, no doubt. Right, 1 Market Street, Old Harbour, St. Catherine. You understand? Pizzas and basin thing. Also, you can get your meat, fish, egg, everything over on the side there. Where's the meat and grocery item? Everything at one place, look good. You understand? Yo, me like when they did the building. The building look modern and nice though. Nice and easy. You understand? The supermarket downstairs and the pizza place up at top there, looking all nice and thing. Yeah, no joke. You know, I can't afford no Old Harbour, I can't afford my people them place. See? Yo, look up when you go on.
Yeah, brother, say over to what they man.
Yeah, you know, hear me? Oh, just like how you do it, man.
No, but brother saying call it, brother never call it. You call it, you don't call it, say call it.
Probably link me, you know.
You say me that.
Cause me over there so that me no sleep outside. And that me I go with somebody we can say Ray and te. The man look like he's not ready for the camera. I'm not going to look like a bargee, you know. You don't know my style. You understand? Yeah. Yeah, me teacher, Jamaica walk by, you see it? Big up and respect, see? Yeah. So, Jamaica walk by. No, long time with the boat. Yeah, man. Look more. Yeah. Good evening. So this a market I'm used to selling a massive. Oh, you never know say Jamaica walk by my thing. Bro, my walk one. Today, yeah, man. Jamaica walk by where we do exactly this right now. Walk and talk and showcase the natural ambience in our place and thing.
Okay.
Everything. We just walk and show the natural love, the beauty, everything. So it's like how you call and ask me, people are going to say you call and ask me. You understand? All is well, my teacher.
Yeah, man, everything.
That is it, we outside, see? Yeah, so I'll move me around so. Make sure so. Oh, you look so to the man? Tired man.
Yeah, man.
Big up here.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. There. Big up yourself. Oh, you mean? So, go outside, nice sweet again. Now take time I come down.
Yeah, man, me
go
a pack up. Yeah, me a pack up.
You understand?
Yeah.
See all the market house in there. So
You gonna put me Sandra yet?
I don't go around there, you know, I walk through here now. So, the arcade in a Old Harbour. So inside here, so now them put the arcade where the shop them there. Sit there. Most of them probably lock up now because I don't know in the evening and thing. Some people gone home, some stay out so early and sit there. But this is how it's set up. Greetings. Miss Andrew! Hi! How are you? Let me give you a little love there. I'm not talking too long. Blessed love here.
Our husband.
Good evening. Where Miss Ivan there? Gone home already?
Canada.
Oh, hey! Outside! Big up yourself here, Miss Andrea.
Yeah, man.
One love.
Every time.
Always. You all your stock up, and make it some of your stocks.
No, that's
Oh, almighty. Stack up. Beautiful, ready. Things them for the kids, everybody. Whole heap of items and things. No joke, no doubt. Mighty. What sell it? Make sure somebody by the end of the year everything done.
Yeah.
What you mean? Much love, Miss Andrea. Take care here. That is it. So she, you don't know anything, man. That is it, man. Love endless.
Yeah, you're not passing.
As we reach out and say, your mom, you go look for Miss Andrea yet? I miss around the bag going down. Later here. Cool. Good evening. So this is me, you know what I mean? Big up to all of my hustlers them in a Old Harbour town. Miss Andrea is like the special, you know? Good evening,
Good evening.
So yeah. Old Harbour town. Sherman! All is well? Alright. Madam Body, hear that? Yeah. So, okay. So I'm showing a spot to where you can find it. Good afternoon or good evening. Alan, you on the phone? Say no see me. He hear me, man. But you know, so I get too much talking. That's just a Lord God, can't bother with Tracy, I know. I'm mommy, do you hear? Alan, are you there here? We say clean out for Christmas. You know, can't miss on where you go. You know, can't where you go. You got ready? Yeah. How is this? Hey, girl! Why you not laughing with me today? See? Ah, gotcha. Yeah. So right outside my cousin place, you know what I mean? Sister Elaine. You understand? This is where I do my hair. This is, yeah, all along. All along. This is where I do my hair massive, you know what I mean? No joke, no doubt. So, for you see my nice, decent ear and all them something there, and my cousin do it. Elaine. This is my cousin. She do my ear and thing. That is it. So she always want me give her a showcase and me tell her say anytime I fall she just not gonna realize. And that's how me do my thing. So all of them pretty hairstyle and basing thing and she do it. So in that Old Harbour Town she do ladies ear for the females them, you don't know kids, all like man ear them and all of them thing there, everything, you understand? Yeah. Style ras, all of them thing my cousin deal with them. Right now Old Harbour Town, so the father and circle her and support her. See? That's my beautiful cousin over there. You know what I mean? She's a big artist. You see how them something here? For she little she draw them on the wall. You understand? I tell her, we take it serious and she not here. You understand? She make them look like a simple thing. Where is I drawing them? We draw? No, paint them and cover them up. Where man in the right so? What man in there so? All them are sitting here. She just goes zoom, zoom, zoom and draw them up on the wall. So look her cousin. Bossy, she bossy. Look there. Look at all them. And she do them something there, you know? And she take no second and do them. Watch it. Better take it serious, isn't she? Yeah. Like a pretty one in her tall here. She don't love laughing. Watch her. See if you make she laugh. Hey, she will laugh. Ah, catch you. Yeah, man. That's how we do it. Alan, take it easy and go and do it. So, this is very nice, cool, some nice fun and thing. There's a blow up on them. Say, lady, you're all done. My friend, me can catch your hairstyle? Yeah, nice and beautiful. Look on her hairstyle. Just done. Look like she run out for another wedding there. You go to the husband, look more. Jesus. Yes, Alan. No joke, no doubt. Me gone.
Yes, and thanks for coming.
Big up yourself, cuz. How you mean? You outside. Yeah, I tell you. Yeah, I'm a teacher. I do a walk by you now. I'm so far. I mean, me not go on good. Busy man. Busy man. The vlog. The vlog. You done the ball game? Yo. Don't done the ball game. I'm man from Douglas, dog. Yeah. Outside, bro. Yeah, massive. Old Harbour Town. That's how we are doing. I just go on record. Man, greetings, what a big man. Oh gosh, man, blessed.
I tell you, my business. Man, blessing.
Yeah, man, it's a long time I don't see you.
Myself.
A long time I don't see you.
Blessing.
Oh, my little friend, a long time I don't see your daughter.
She don't Bahamas.
Oh.
Are you not Jack's really well?
Heal her up for me.
Yes, man.
Tell her to follow me on Jamaica walk by so we can follow her back and we can keep connected, alright?
Alright, me I tell Jamaica walk by.
Jamaica walk by.
My granddaughter this week.
A granddaughter?
My great granddaughter this week.
Don't tell nobody says so. So if you go granddad and great grand, nobody say
Necessarily classing it. She said, no.
we can keep it down.
Yes.
Yeah. Wait, let's show you for you. Big up yourself here. Later here, sailing.
Yes, man.
Jamaica walk by. Alright. Yeah. I saw you love go, man. So, this are the taxi stand here now. Place change up. Place change up.
Spanish town here, so one and move. Then you're going to make one and move, Spanish town.
Ready, Kiara, ready to go.
Yeah, man. Place change up. Nice and beautiful. Great man.
Yes,
big
man.
up yourself,
No,
man.
respect to them, man.
Word.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, me actually I go to a tour of Old Harbour town today. You know. You
Yeah.
understand? We say outside, but you almost done, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
I real shrimps man, this now Old Harbour town, you know.
Yeah, man.
You
Right,
understand?
man.
No joke.
Family.
Yeah. So all is well for going on down in here.
Yeah, man. We there have one.
Massive, everybody must know this a youth. For your first
man.
circle, Old Harbour town, you know, says man, I want the world greatest shrimps, man. If you not sample them a shrimp,
Yeah.
you're lacking. Remember me tell you. So circle again, you know, see?
Yeah, I know.
Big up and respect always, see? Yeah. So you don't know for the Christmas, the place set up a different kind of way, see me? Look good. Big old man. Yeah. Today I'm going to do a vlog today. I like when I get the whole mess up and then I can reach it. Feel like Mr. Tall. Close on skirt. I need 1 more inch. Me hold it. Here what you going to do? Just hold this up.
See chair there.
Just hold this up for me. Just like what you see. Just hold it straight so.
Yeah.
See? That is it. Big up, exhibit. Ah. Yeah.
You ready? Oh, thank God. They will have a
So yeah. See how the place set up. No, I'm not pass around so. Glendon Court. Oh, that outside, see? Man. Not much changes, you know what I mean? Better value still there. That is it. Yeah. We just show it. Just show it as it is. See? Oh, outside again. Oh. But you did it good, man. Those are skirt. I mean, look good. Catch one of them things. Everything have to sell off, you know, man. You don't know what thing go, man. Blouse and skirt. Yeah. All different kind of jeans, things for the man, them youths, them, the girls, them, the big woman, them there. Fashion ready for the new year and for the end of year. Look good. Madam bad. Papa so say. I tell you, loaded. Anything, you must get something right or so. Figure that. Yeah. Don't know me teach us what this. Respect. Yeah.
Go and shop now and be stop loss. If it's don't look like
Old Harbour Town massive. Big up in there, man. I do some Jamaica walk by to the socks. Are you that? Blouse and skirt me outside. They actually one of my rich friends.
Are you fan?
Are you for buy me a beer now, you know? You go. So what me I do today?
You know why me make a beer?
This me I do today. Me will circle you dead. Guy, you have to tell me why we drinking beer. Yeah. Jamaica walk by. Me actually feature a town today. You know what I mean? Yeah. Show them a walk. No, me not catch you.
No,
I don't know your style already, but you go on. So circle you here. Socks! Yeah, man. Big up and respect that one. Yeah, so circle. Yeah. Somebody say outside. Yeah. Outside match with no joke, no doubt. Really? Yeah. So all of that stretch of people them get the whole of the corner them they can sell. See me? So Beer Road. Every time with this one, yeah, easy. Yeah, every time. So right road that's a Beer Road. I understand? Beer Road. I'm here, so somebody here looking off a bike today. In dead. That's Christ. I delivered somebody or something?
No, he died.
He died. Oh God. Is that Is that somebody that do delivery and none of them delivery man there are not like that? That's Christ. Yeah, so today we hear somebody drop off and get hit off of them bike and died. And dead. Died. Yeah. Jesus peace. Christ. How shall I go on? There's a skate on the street. I know some more you tell them to be careful, it's like a joke thing you make. Christ. Sometimes you see them ride and you have to tell them, say, you want to take time ride, man, remember so life important. No, sir. Why you're pot white, I'm clean and pretty, man. Clothes and skirt. Are we having that? What kind of soup? Beef soup. Cheese, the pot come right out. Yeah, man. Yo, take it easy here. Small, look over. Yeah, you always tell the man them in a Old Harbour town. You see more time down here, you see delivery you, them man them a ride the bike, them out, them a wheelie, them a do all side of thing and you drive it. Sometimes one day one pass me, same place out there so. And me have to wheeze and I say, General, take time now that when the man a go on and I say, yo, me make sure you just give him the road, cause I say, me no want me be one to lick them and think, and me pray every day so me no want no accident, no time at all. I don't care what it is. I don't want none. No fender bender, no nothing. So I always just hold my look right and just give them away. But then ride away, man. Condolences to the family and things still. You see me? But them a ride away. Container plaza this. One Andre, your blouse and skirt, yo. Yeah, I hope say you're there today, you know. Say I get featured on my Jamaica walk by today. Massive Andre, my general this. So all them massive them in a Old Harbour town. If you don't know which part to fix a phone, alright, I see you forward. You understand? Right from Bay Road over the Container Plaza, yeah. Andre, just ask you Andre, and he might make sure so your phone fixed from a screen, anything at all, charging port, yeah, flash to unlock everything. You understand? You can get your phone case them and everything. No joke and thing. So, you wanna do the ball game, bro? Me not understand enough. When I say it on camera, we don't understand what I'm going to do. But last time I circled down, I say feel one cut and thing, and I say, yo. Yeah, we need the feel cut and we get back the thing up and running. We all like a man them that make we all can't get to play a ball game with time already. We can't get it cut. Yeah. Yeah, we have to chat later, man. I see. So massive check out Andre and you're on Instagram today. You have a business up on Instagram? Oh, you're not care about no more? No, yeah. Can't no start. So massive, just fall up on Bay Road, Andre. Get your phone fixed, get your charging port fixed, screen, unlock, flash, everything. Andre, we need it. See right on our phone in my work pan. Another joke thing, look good. Madam bad. Big up my brother. Saying, look at me, just a pass so saying. That is it, outside. Tuesday, yo, we are going to chat and see if we can get the start of the Tuesdays, eh? Definitely. Alright, Ajay, bye. Yeah. Right over Container Plaza on Bay Road. You need a phone fix, Andre. And it fix all the other things too. If certain electronics and all them things there, if you want it to sort out, you can deal with it. You understand? Me personally never bring like a TV or none of them things that to him. I don't think him really trouble them type of thing about your phone. Yeah. What they want like my massaging thing for fix and me get it fixed right the same way. So, but a phone thing. See? So circle Andre right on beer that's over Container Plaza and get your phone fixed. Flash. You can check him too. He probably have a phone for sell. So no say in the evening, but we still a walk through. No joke. Whole heap of place. So over there is our Orion's Plaza. Yeah. Yeah, man. Alright, we'll take a look closer looking. So this is Orion Plaza. Yeah. So have a nice restaurant, one of them open air restaurant up on the top too as well. Upstairs. Yeah. Food eat good and thing. I'm not gonna tell you no joke. I buy up the couple time and the food was amazing. See it there? Right up there, so. Very beautiful. To tell you the truth. I like the decor up there too as well. Yeah, man. So let's do this. And ample parking too as well. Whole heap of parking. Yeah. Whole heap of parking. You can circle and just park and do basic. You see me? Madam bad. Oh, go on. There, man. Yeah. Enough people know the place over there, so concept appliances and furniture, yeah. What the plaza there over there name again? A Dang Dang Plaza, everybody call it still now. After a Chinese restaurant. Dang Dang, everybody does say Dang Dang. You see me, Dang Dang Plaza. Yeah. Plaza where you never can get parking yet. Dang Dang. No joke, no. So you have gym over there, you have concept over there. You also have one deli, the pizza place over there. So you walk over there, you can see it too. So, show no the pizzeria place here. Manners. Yeah. Yeah, man as my teacher. You know, so I get a forward so I come showcase road and so. So my teacher, you can't say me no forward. You see me, I know say you're not there today. Or you don't know. See there? Deli Pizzeria. See, so I'm a Jamaica walk by massive. Listen. Right, so my father the other day come sample it and I tell her, say, yeah, it's a go on good too. The menu large. You see me? No joke, from pizzeria to smoothie, sandwiches, you know what I mean, taco, milkshake. The milkshake still off because I actually get one of the Oreo milk cookie milkshake over there and that they're mad. Wing it. You have Wing It Wednesday. You know what I mean? No joke, no doubt. So you can definitely check them out over Dang Dang Plaza. Yeah, so you know, all wanna follow me so on the switch I'm walk and forward. So definitely one of the places in the Old Harbour where you can stop and get your smoothie and all of them good things there. See? Deli Pizzeria. No joke, no doubt. You're my teacher, big up, see? Respect, manners. Yeah. So you can't send me no forward. So I know you're going to watch the video. So your sister me forward. So big up yourself, bro. Yeah. So more time I no want to do all the video them in the same vibe. So some of them, you know, in the evening you can see a different type of vibe. Other than all the video them just sun a burn up and thing, you can see when the place cool off and simmer down. So people can get a different experience. So that's why I choose to do that one down in the evening. Dad. Big up, man. Yeah? How well I go away? You know, I see that. I know I sample the restaurant here yet.
Sample it and go look for the preview upstairs.
Alright, you're kicking back the shoes them.
Yeah.
Madam bad. How you mean? Let me just sample that spot here, you know. I see it up from what day, you know. Yeah. I me I do you know.
I'm going to say
any name encounter the flavor.
Yeah.
Yeah. Where's the shot?
Yes man, shot man.
From you said that you know, I take your word feet, you know.
Shot. So
me not try it yet.
When you get a little preview for it.
Yeah. See there? Well, it look like a shot in there full up. And that me I say. Blouse and skirt, the people that look like they love it because see they join the line and them are wait patiently like embassy. Them are wait patiently like embassy. So in there look like a shot. In there have a shot car. You know see people them are wait patiently like embassy.
Well, you have it there now. If I put a sign there, sir.
I say please join the line. Thank you.
Thank you. Never want to break it harder.
That is it.
Never harder, you know.
Figure that.
On principle.
Yeah.
I don't say
One,
man of harder.
Yeah, go and take it easy, you know.
Yeah.
And we talk. See? That is it. Yeah, but people are waiting the patient like embassy, so it look like in the shot. Nobody now complain, nobody now fuss. Blow, not even this is a whole of so liquid. Blouse and skirt. Whole of so liquid. One shop in there, so one big shop in there, so everything liquid. You realize there's empty. Outside with it, look good. Outside with it, boy.
They lock up in the house.
Place them change up, boy. I tell you. Outside with it. It's a Romanian burger. Outside. Watch out. Look at this. Teacher. Where's the bank turning our supermarket? Lord and skirt. The bank is now a supermarket. And the man then make sure they open for the Christmas. Lords and skirt. Everywhere town food place. Bankton and supermarket. So all I massive them, remember right as a Scotia Bank you see the right as so. Yeah, our food place are now straight food. You know the ATM still there. The ATM still there, but our supermarket there, you know. Damn. It's a good look. Why Chinese them a buy out some place, you know, brother? Scotia Bank in there, there's a Chinese put up a supermarket there, you know. Why I'm not wrong with Chinese them, you know, I'm not going to tell you no joke thing, because guess what, you know, we Jamaicans them a fight against the Jamaican business them too hard. We a fight with one, and if we unite like we Chinese them a unite and a set up shop. But as Jamaican and black people set up shop, you know what we see them Jamaicans then do? Go rob them, broke them place and thief them, same thing them and base it. Jaja know. I saw you go, brother. Wow, go. I'm not traveling now, bro. Alright, so I'm going in Dawson supermarket where owner operate by one of my generals. See me I say? I could go over there. Alright. Respect. So my look at this, I'm shopping at the supermarket here all the time. The one I own and operate by my general, my neighbor, Madam Bad.
How that?
Clothes and skirt. What go on? Don't know, so I do a tour all over town today, no, so I can't pass and afford in a general ends, you know, you understand? No joke, no doubt. So massive right here, so I get all of my little nicks, knocks, them and all of them things. They big up Kevin every time, you don't know, big up my general. Yeah. So I have a showcase the NCM speed, nice and clean, AC out and basing. Yeah, look good. So, whole heap of Chinese place in Jamaica, so a black man around that one, you understand? Big up to all of my black owned business owner. I know so I come in and take up all of my little things them. And to me, personally, I get the best price in here. I not go around you. You understand? Not because I know the general, but yeah, we get the best prices them in here when it comes down to food. They're not going to have every single thing where you need. They're not going to have every single thing where you want. But we can guarantee you, all of your basic necessities them, I go in here, you can get it and you go get it at the best price. So I tell you now, the forward in here so and support that spot here. Right now, it's going to the weekend, you know, so most of the chefs then clean off. As I say, people them place this. So people them make sure so them come in and clean off the chef them clean sweep. I like mommy. See them way so, no joke. Look good. Endorse and blast. All the little things that we need for your house, you can come in and so come get it. Right on Lincoln Plaza. Big up to Kevin every time, you know what I mean? All the products them and the normal products them in Jamaica and the popular one them you can get them in here easily at the best price. No joke, no doubt. You hear that? Yeah, clean sweep. Bro, look more here. See. Yeah man, I know some shop me now go around. One thing me touching all about town, all of my basic necessities them, right in so I go get them. Cause me honestly feel say Kevin have the best price them. So me just forward. When me not get in there, me go find it somewhere else. But in there me go first. Yeah man. Make sure go in there first. Anything when me not get in there, we go somewhere else. It's all about Old Harbour. So massive if you not watch this far and you don't not like the video, do me a beg if you like the video then, please. Do me a beg if you like the video. Send it to a massive way. Live at Old Harbour so them can see the place in the night. Friday night, day to in the night. Come through? You pass? Look good, massive. Old Harbour Town. So don't I say don't know, we are going towards the gateway. Gateway Plaza. One Mara! Outside! Big up my friend. Bigger that one Mara. Outside. Yeah. Alright. So you don't know Gateway Plaza. I'm going to take a look at stroll over there in the night. Yeah? So if you don't love the vibe, please subscribe. Gateway Plaza. Yeah. There's a lot of changes to the place. I'm not gonna tell you no joke because I know no found never know the place. Up there so recently opened. I'm gonna see if I can take a walk, go over there too. In the night, yeah. See? But you actually enter from the other side, so I walk around there and check it out. I heard it's beautiful. I haven't been up there yet. To tell you God truth, so this is gonna be the first time for me to going around there because it recently opened, so make it all we take a look. I try to do that one in the evening because guess what? I always do most of the tour them idea and people been ask me say they want to see some of my place in the night. So yeah, let's do it. See all over there, so you know, zinc ups, you know, say, as I look, my sister's a plaza I make over there. So, I can look out for more changes to Old Harbour Town in the coming time. You understand? Yeah, man, no joke. You know, at the doctor surgery usually over there. So, place fence up and plaza bill and also different chap. So, let's see which one we walk around there now. Manners.
Just for you, now we pack a service.
I'm not sure what this one is.
Your celebration deserves the best. And Sky Blue
Please change up, brother.
Book your VIP experience today. Sky Blue Club, where every moment is a reason to celebrate. It's Sky Blue Club, Old Harbour Bay, catering, right next to Gateway Plaza.
Damn. Nice. Jody. How things? That's how we live now? Oh gosh, man. One love, man. Take it easy here. Yeah, man. Check out the new spot here. It's beautiful. So they call it Sky Blue Club. Madam bad. So the first time for me around here, so I check out the place here. Look, man, Sky Blue, nice and these things. Sky Blue, yeah, it's a different look. You understand? So look like a photo booth spot this here now. Yeah, make sure son of forward I take the picture too as well. Yeah. It's beautiful. I love the decor. The decor is super nice. I don't know the food spot down here, so I smell fried chicken and chips and beer sitting. Damn. Alright, make we go upstairs and see how best there. Lovely look. So make we see. So the club at the entrance, right? So. Boy, Jamaica walk by my friend, I check out the spot, you know. That is it. I first time from a massive. Yeah, but just a show. Alright, my friend, that's the alright. Yeah. See that nice little pub. It's beautiful. Really beautiful. Mad. Beautiful decor and thing. Big TVs and all of them things there. Table and all of them things there. Mad. Yeah. It's a nice vibe. You know, music I play, so we're not too joining. But yeah, whole heap of door if you come out. Yeah. Whole heap of lights. Love the decor. Sky blue club. Crazy place to sit down and think. So you buy your food and you can come outside and eat and enjoy yourself. Nice. Me definitely come there, come sample this. Me like how it's set up. I love how it's set up. And there you have Gateway Plaza, which I went there around this a while ago. Big up to the owner of that place, yeah. I love the vision. I love this Old Harbour too as well. Nice. Nice. Alright, they're right next to the Jerk Center. I see the Jerk Center there. Mad. Beautiful. Super beautiful. Yeah. Really beautiful. Good scenery. It's a lot. These are please. Let's go. Jamaica walk by here, big up. But definitely I come get a dining here. You look, trust me, the decor, me love this Old Harbour Town. This is a very good look for Old Harbour Town, no joke. From downstairs to upstairs, inside of the club, very nice. Very, very nice. Big up, man. See that? Damn, look good now, man. It's beautiful. So I say, even specials and things. Love this Old Harbour. It's rice and this look like pork right here, so madam bad. Nice. Wow. Definitely a pound and check out the place. Watch out, filter water too. You can get the filter water here, so. Yeah. Nice. Sky blue. Yeah, I love this Old Harbour Town. It's really nice.
Moving Mondays and Tuesdays, where we set the tone with smooth grooves to keep you in the zone. And do this, we are going to see it.
Top star.
Yeah, but they have vlog now, you know, so you know a chap going on.
Yeah, brother, you get rich and out of blood class.
Yeah, I know something else is here, you know. Big up and respect, me never see at all.
But they are big.
I walk through one of our me just go feature run this a while ago. First me and sister, run the pretty man.
Sunday a big party run.
Run there.
Yeah. Sunday anniversary.
Anniversary?
Yeah. Yeah,
I want you know since you open.
Last year December, you know.
We just go walk it out a while ago and video it, you know. Yeah, go tell him, cause me a film.
Yeah.
Cause I understand Jamaica one by me not cut the camera.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, so I miss a massive, the place is nice.
And you not done it.
I mean, oh, me say, me did there, me look on them, I say, place nice, a fret, bro. But walk out the whole line, upstairs everywhere. Pretty.
In a done yet.
And the G say not done yet. So I go get a good feature, so I hope say most of the people that never know about it right now and they run the world can find the Old Harbour Town and check out up there. Nice, dog. Jeez.
We are set up.
Love it, look. So even all them, the front part too, man, love it, bro. Love it. Look on it, see there? Nice. And alright, General, this? Yeah. Madam Bad, man. Big up and respect, man.
Right,
yeah.
Yeah,
me actually walk out the place a while ago, so me have to showcase it on Jamaica walk by, and I tell us the place is beautiful. So me have to go forward with my family, come check it out. So I make everybody when I know about it now.
Oh, it's still on the camera.
Yeah, you know me not done. Yeah, but that's somebody. I like it discreet, you know what I mean? So if you want to online this, we can just go through and catch a natural vibe. So right now, everybody else is saying, I'm making this up. You see me? Yeah, man, I'm a daddy, man. Yeah, man. Big up our respect, man. Yeah, you do your thing, a big thing, man. Bad and bad. So, big up again. I love the decor, the settings. Even when I watch about this, your sister me I walk and I say, no, say more big up the boss. Because I love the vision of where the place go. So even before we get to meet you right, that's what I've been saying. So I love this all about town. See? So more greatness, more strength. I say anniversary when Sunday? Yeah. Alright. See it there? Oh, see billboard there? I like his style runner so when the constant ad. Yeah, smart. So see that? Madam Bad. So this Sunday is the anniversary. You know what I mean? The anniversary for Sky Blue. We could check it out. No joke, no. Yeah, man. So the entire plaza. Yeah. Big up and respect, man. So me I drop it. Me I go drop it. I drop the one on Sunday. Yeah. Sunday. Because all about town, me feature another one, you know. Just watch all about town, catch a business place, and I show the people them the different and the changes, yeah, so them can see what I want. But you know, so I go circle it differently. When we close off this, me I come circle, because I have to come drink a one beer, I don't know to drink. I tell nobody.
Kingston.
Yeah, big up. Outside. Let me see a look in that, so.
Yeah, man. Come for them, man.
Nice, big up and respect. Hello, what are you in here? Yeah, I live life. Big up and respect the day about outside.
We have a restaurant around our side here.
What thing, man?
Yeah, man, go to the side.
Yeah. You see the machine now? I tell you what the machine works. You put money in and you get money out. Put money in and you get money out. As easy as that. Top shelf, liquors and thing. Man has respect. Yo, top shelf and a DB shelf. We're not talking about lower shelf, we're talking about the pinnacle shelf. Look good. Cheese and pace, man. Dali all over here, so you go on nice and easy. No joke, no doubt. It's beautiful. Yeah, man, it's a vibe, it's an energy. But so circle now.
More jump, man.
Eh?
More jump.
Oh, wait a sec. So they have a promotion going right now. Yeah. Cheese and pace. So the man with the most jackpot, you get a fridge. Double door. That's rich. Somebody, I went on the draw. Sunday? Grand Market Night. Alright, figure that. No joke, no doubt. Look good. Yeah, hey, they can't pay me now, you know? Clothes and skirt. Yeah. Yo, what a vision, man. No joke, no doubt. Restaurant. Come we go on the other side to me realize because we run this on a video on the shelf with food and beer things. Yes. Jaja no. I eat, man. Nice restaurant and thing, clean and thing. Well done. Well done. See there? So then do lunch special and things. So yes, so all like people them buy them food straight through India now. Lord. So look at taste of our go on rice and peas, boiled food, fried chicken, a whole heap of cinnamon, curry chicken, oxtail, yo, teriyaki chicken. I'll be sitting and go on through the day. But definitely I go sample the place myself, but I show all I massive say this day so. See? Yeah. Restroom, blouse and skirt, madam bad.
Female,
oh yeah, from the clothes.
Yeah. That's cool, bro. That is it.
Madam bad. So everything there.
No, man, I have to go to this one. You have to read about right.
Blouse and skirt. Yo, we can't pay him, you know, we know.
Yeah, you have to read about right.
I have to go see already. Can't pay him. Hey.
The people them use our bathroom and the AC, bro.
I say,
believe no man.
Cheese and peas. And the nicest thing, I love the vibe, I love the energy. Yo, we take it easy. Right, that's why we go easy, man. understand? We love it. So circle. Now close off this and forward.
They're a big brother, man.
Yeah. Yeah, me love it. Me love it. Play sweet. So massive Old Harbour Town. We have to showcase what we're going to Old Harbour Town. It's a great look. You understand? And me love how the general deal with it the right way. You understand? Yeah. Whoa, what a vibe, what an energy. I know it's a long video, but the energy is nice and it's right. All I want to sit down on the couch right now and watch Jamaica walk by on the phone. So I want to watch it while you not drive. You don't know. See it there? The place just stand out in the whole Old Harbour Town right now. I not go around, you know. If you fall in the Old Harbour Town, you go wonder like, wow, what this? That is it. I don't know. Jerk shop right, there's a farmer's jerk. Yeah. What am I say? But what any video, but there's so much things to see, there's so much things to do as we go through. Yeah, tell you, man. Yeah, man. Ruby's gas station cross there, so mighty. You know, say down that side, you know, then call down that side, the red light district in a Old Harbour. Yeah, Mr. Benson Pharmacy right here, so. Yeah, man. Big up to Mr. Benson. World Pharmacy, is it? Set up these 10 to big expansion and them thing there. You see me? I wonder who this touch me so sweet. Yeah. No, me not like, but we can chat, man.
Okay. My cousin.
I don't want to go to you though. I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm not going to Oh, alright, me so far here. Why you come out? Yeah. So we're there, man. We are going through. No joke, no. Yeah, my teacher, madam bad, bro. Yeah. So we're there, go and do the job. You understand? Now we are come out and copyright and them look at thing there. You see? Blue circle, yeah. They call them to finish. Yeah. So you don't know a thing go. Yeah. Unless you don't want to say something. You don't want to say something. Eh? Alright. Alright, cuz, cool. So, you don't know Kaluga boss, Mr. Samuda. So I'm going to close the video down here, so you know what I mean? Yeah, it's been a great video, man, trust me. The place changed up so much, yo. See how plaza they around there, so you know. And them look at thing there. Yo. Probably have to do our next one in our day, bro. But me differently, me just in want a different vibe, you see me? Yeah, just like that. So you have Kaluga down here, so now. Kaluga Cafe. They don't know seafood, all of them things. They don't know wine and dine and beer sitting, you know what I mean? That is it. And Old Harbour, one of them towns, they will never close and never sleep. Never sleep. Kaluga Cafe. So yeah, one Kaluga. Jerk pork, jerk chicken, all sort of thing. They are Kaluga. So perfect place for forward and dine. Yeah. Go party! Good night. So here we are at Kaluga Cafe. You understand? So this is Kaluga Cafe. So you have the bar, all the top shelf liquor and all them things the same speed, and you can dine and eat. You see me? Yeah, no joke, no doubt. Hi. She just a pass through. You understand? Yeah. So, Kaluga Cafe. Kaluga Cafe. So you don't know Kaluga boss. No, Joe, no, don't. Yeah. That is it. Beautiful place, beautiful ends. Yeah. Let's go. So you don't know massive. One of the nicest places right now you can check out in a Old Harbour town for easy and just chill. So right now, if I'm not up here, so you see that place I made it down there a while ago. Sky Blue, yeah, a Kaluga. So big up to the general of Sky Blue and big up to my general, my cousin Adrian Samuda. You don't know Kaluga boss. This is his ends up here, so yeah. So you don't know, from time to time you have karaoke, you have backyard settings. It's just great, it's just beautiful. Look good, beautiful. The ambience is everything. You understand? So the food, oh my god, great. And also massive parking at the back. See? So you don't have to worry about parking. Massive parking at the back, so you don't have to worry. Just forward and park your vehicle and all a vibe, all a energy. See? Yeah, nice and easy. Big up to all the general and staff them at Kaluga Cafe. Mr. Samuda, big up yourself. You don't know, we walk through. So we showcase all the little spot them where you can forward for the Christmas and all the energy. See it there? So this is where you walk through. You drive through, sorry, and park. So we're heading back to the front. See? Kaluga Cafe. Get used to the name. It's been around for a very long time. This is one of the businesses where survived through COVID, Corona, and still standing and still bounce back stronger and bigger and better. So that's great. So you can know say he might do something right and he might do something where the people them love. Zin? Yeah, Kaluga Cafe. No joke. Look good. Yeah, man. So yeah, massive. Big up to everybody who watched the video. But you don't know a thing though. We can't film forever and thing, but you go walk down a little bit, so see it there. Kaluga Cafe. And down here so now at the old Skateland ground. Old Skateland ground. So crazy amount of bar, shop, restaurant, bunch of things they down here so. What a walk! So far there was a sign where the side I make it, I think it's Jew Kitchen actually own the place and now, you know. See fence off and thing. So probably a big things are going to go on over there. Cause you know Mr. Jew Kitchen work already. Straight business, eh? Yeah, man. Alright, so I'm going to show you now. Look a bit down here, so. And thing. Alright, make a cross. Blessings and respect to everybody who's still watching the video. I am super grateful if you're still there and watch Old Harbour Town. Love it. Yeah. So riverbed settings again. Usually Old Harbour not have them a road. I mean I go around here. See? Manners, manners. Look up, brother. All is well. But just say me I go and film, I go and close it down and say, you know what I mean? Can't afford and not give you one link. You see me? Move me in there. Move me, big up yourself. You see me? Down at Christmas shop. Yeah. So things, all is well. How you mean? Me there I go and do to look at Jamaica walk by and show them all about town. You know what I think?
Yeah.
How you mean? We are going to do that, put in work.
Yo, me and I watch you all of Florida, brother.
Foreign.
On YouTube.
Yeah, we take it out. We are taking it worldwide.
On YouTube, I'm saying things.
Nice.
Brother.
Yeah, man. Sister, you don't have to go and do it. Look good. No joke, no. The pot clean and thing, no joke. How you mean? Yeah, right in a Old Harbour town with them. All like general, them big up when you don't know. Yeah, man. We say, well, a vibe, a special. Figure that. Yeah. One love, you hear that? That is it, man, you mean? So, definitely all of the food, the snacks, them, a mini supermarket, you know, as usual, you know. So, everything from juice to everything. You can circle down and so down a mango ground. You understand? Mama Debbie, see her there? Nice, beautiful queen. Yeah. Yeah, man. Oh, your sister, everything alright with her?
Come on, them up, man.
Heal her up for me, you hear that? Figure that. There. Oh, you mean, man? No joke. Ah, my grub. Yeah.
You come from boy, you don't know.
Yeah, they're telling them you know the hang. Chriso. So, Chriso, tell them you sell soup. Ital. Every kind of soup. See it? Every kind of soup. Right through there.
Anytime.
Cheese up. See part there? You always see it on the front right there, so. Ever ready. I don't know, movie there, you start go and lock up the grocery shop and buy things. Basically, supermarket, this is a mini mart. Mini supermarket. Everything you want, you can get it right as well. Soap, bathroom, all clothes. You get it? Yeah, man. No joke. See that? See how the next shelf run and so. I'm good. How you mean? Bad. Chris, I go back down in the town, see? One love always. Big up and respect. Adam bad, that is it. Outside. I hope so no copyright no catch this because them big berry song the way I go on, you know what thing go. But I could just go and see if we can talk over it and pass through as we head back in the town. So, yeah. But just a show no down as a setup still, you see me? Yeah. So, one love. We now stop spread the message and showcase the beauty of Jamaica, same speed, everything, all natural. So down here, so mango ground, which are the old skate landed there. That's how we walk from and out. We just a join and we head back to the heart of the town, which is the clock. So far I actually do the whole tour and it was great. But I just go walk back down in the town before I close it. You see me? It don't make sense I close it up here. So because if a massive them enjoy the video, why not just go on? Make a cross, you know? Yeah. So remember, if you're in an Old Harbour here, you want a nice little place to sit down and dine and eat, you can check out Kaluga Cafe or you can check out Sky Blue Club right beside the Farmer's Jerk across from the Ruby's gas station. See? Yeah, no joke. Outside with it.
money in your account, yes sir.
One of the things I have to tell you about Jamaica, music always a play. Crazy music always a play, you hear that? Jamaica noisy. Back in our town. Wow, go on, all is well?
Yes, man.
That is it.
You know, I'm jamming left for me now. How am I, God? Hey, that don't rock with my career like that, you know, man. You have to make somebody know that.
Right back in our Old Harbour town. See, they look good. So big up to everybody who stayed tuned and watch the entire video. Old Harbour town from in the day, go right up in the night, and the energy was just right. So if you're new, make sure you subscribe to the channel and support the channel. Make sure you comment and all of them look good things there. We get the channel going and keep the channel growing. See? One love and blessings to all my Jamaica Walk by Massive all over the world. Blessings and respect to one and all. See? That is it. Right? Oh, you mean? Big up to me Uncle Manny. God a God. You see? Always support the channel. You see me? Yeah, one love. So much people did them for me give a big up, but you don't know. Big up to everybody. See? Oh, you mean? Stay tuned and watch the other videos them. No joke, no doubt.